Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tarah. So today is a sponsored video by Vaclife. Now, I chose this vacuum because it is a pet vacuum. You know, I have a cat and a couple animals that shed like crazy. So, I'm looking for the best one. It has a motorized brush, crevice nozzle, brush tool, an extra HEPA filter, and charger. And I must say, it does charge really fast. Now, this is one thing I really love. You can take it off and clean it. So if you get pet hair or any kind of like long hair like mine stuck in it, it comes right off and you can clean it. Now, I'm going to really test out this vacuum today in different places just because I really want to get the feel of this vacuum. And I also looked at the reviews, and all I've seen so far is 5-star reviews on Amazon and 100,000 views on the website and the Amazon store. The one thing I'm really loving about this right here is the motorized brush. And you can see now that I'm getting up pretty much everything, and eventually I did get that little piece in the back. It was, it's under the seat, so it's hard to see, but I love being able to see, the vacuum lines, and you get that with this little brush. It's pretty awesome, and it's wide enough that it fits everywhere like really good. Now, this video is just not about the vacuum cleaner today. I am tackling a lot of cleaning I've got to do, including in the house. So, I started with the car, and then a storm pops up, but let's talk more about this vacuum. At first, you can see I'm using the brush tool for the fabric because I just want to get in the crevices and see if it, would pick everything up. Because I really want to do a deep clean to this car because my stepsons did leave the windows down one day when my husband was mowing, and you can see this crevice tool right here. It picked all of that up at the corners and everything. I was super amazed. Now you can see I'm using the same crevice tool as I did on the seats to get all the loose grass up from the cup holders and everything. And most of this is very sticky from spilt drink and all that, so it's just stuck on there. But everything that was loose, it did get up. And I cleaned out my van also, and it lasted for over an hour and 15 minutes, I believe. So the battery life on this handheld vacuum is awesome. And now you can see the storm was coming up, so I had to hightail it inside. But you will see me pick back up in a little while on my cat tower, and it will show y'all how good it done on picking up the cat hair with the motorized brush. And y'all, this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner done such a good job. It still amazes me, and I've used it about 3 times on there because he shed so much. And I also used it today on my ferret cage and their little bed, and it sucked up all the ferret hair, and they shed worse than my cat. And it does come with a double filtration system, so it has a lot of suction power. And y'all know we love a lot of suction with our vacuum cleaner to get messes up. And I did have to replace, because I was in a hurry, the filter. All I did was switch it out, and then I washed it after I got done cleaning. And it was easy. It had the little brush with it, and all, it just made everything super fast and easy today on cleaning out the car and everything. So, if you would like to check out this vacuum, it is a 15% discount. I will have the code in the description box down below, including the link on where to get this vacuum. Sorry about my voice, y'all. I think this pollen has got me, it's just got me all stopped up. Alright, y'all, I'm going to quit talking. I've talked long enough, and I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this cleaning video. But stay tuned at the end to make sure you watch where I clean my cat tower and how good it does, because that thing is nasty. And remember, it's not just for pets, it's for little kids too, because I got a lot of them. and you can just pick that thing up and get little messes of cereal and all that stuff off the floor, no problem, in a hurry. So go check this out if you want to. Like I said, it'd be down below.
Right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how they look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on 'cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now this. But I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Could play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's.
I just want to say thank y'all for watching. If you want to go check that out, like I said, I'll have the link below with a discount. I told y'all it did such a good job on my cat tower. I'm just like straight up blown away. But like I said, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.